The mitochondria generates energy and is considered to be the powerhouse of the cell. Hogwarts' kitchen is like the mitochondria because all of the food is made there just like the energy of a cell. The Golgi apparatus modifies and sorts proteins and lipids and sends them off to their final destination. This is like the sorting hat because it sorts the students into different houses.
Difficult, very difficult. Plenty of courage, I see. Not a bad mind either. There's talent, oh yes, and a thirst to prove yourself. But where to put you?
Not Slytherin. Not Slytherin.
Not Slytherin, eh? Are you sure? You could be great, you know. It's all here in your head. And Slytherin will help you on the way to greatness. There's no doubt about that. No? Well, if you're sure, better be Gryffindor!
No, Professor, he had nothing to do with it. It was me.
Most noble of you, Harry, to shield me. But as has been pointed out, the parchment clearly says Dumbledore's army.
The nucleus is the control center of the cell and contains the cell's DNA. Dumbledore's office is like the nucleus because Dumbledore is the headmaster of Hogwarts, so he controls what happens in the school.
And sedition. I thought we might hit this little snag.
As such, I don't expect many of you to appreciate the subtle science and exact art that is potion-making. However, for those select few who possess the predisposition.
The rough endoplasmic reticulum is involved with the production of proteins and has ribosomes on it. The classrooms at Hogwarts are like the rough ER because it holds the ribosomes, the students.
Bottle fame, brew glory, and even put a stopper in death. Then again, maybe some of you have come to Hogwarts in possession of abilities so formidable that you feel confident enough to not pay attention.
Happiest you can remember. Allow it to fill you up. Keep trying, Seamus. George, your turn now.
Expecto Patronum!
Ribosomes make protein for the cell to use. The students at Hogwarts are like the ribosomes because they become educated and go out into the magical world as adults, whereas some, like Neville, come back to Hogwarts and become teachers. Instead of proteins, the end product is knowledge.
So focus, Luna. Think of the happiest thing you can.
Expecto Patronum.
The cell wall helps plant cells keep its shape and protects the cell. The castle walls are like the cell wall because it helps to keep intruders out. The cell membrane controls what goes in and out of the cell. The magical protection around Hogwarts is like the cell membrane because only people with magical blood can get in. Muggles are kept out, just like viruses or anything the cell doesn't like. Lysosomes use enzymes to digest food and cells that have become unuseful, which keeps the cell uncluttered. Hogwarts caretaker August Filch is like the lysosomes because he oversees the cleanliness of Hogwarts.
They are supposed to be out of bed, you blithering idiot.
Oh. Sorry, Mom.
As it happens, Mr. Filch, your arrival is most opportune.
Vacuoles are found in all plant cells and some animal cells. They act as a storage unit for the cell, holding anything the cell may need to use or throw out. The room of requirement is like vacuoles because students have put anything they need or do not want anyone to find in there.
So a house elf shows up in my bedroom. We can't get through the barrier to platform 9 3/4. We almost get killed by a tree. Clearly someone doesn't want me here this year.
take a good look, lads. This night might well be the last you spend in this castle. Oh dear, we are in...